Let's see how to create a material icon and a text box. Start a new Flutter project. Scaffold. Body. Safe area. Child. Add column widget. Children list. Let's add container. Container. Let's add row. Need to enter the phone icon and number. Child. Row. Children. Let's add the icon. Icon. Icons. Dot. We get a list. From there we get ever icons we need. It is the material icon list. Once we take the materialpalette.com/icons web page, we can see now if you want this icon, just click on it and you will get its name. Let's copy and paste it. Okay, this is that icon. Here we need the phone's icon. Icons.phone. Phone icon displayed. Now let us color the icon. Color. Colors.red. Now let us change the background color of the scaffold. Background color colors.teal. Now let's add a phone number and use the text widget for that. Enter text value, phone number. Now let us add color to the text. Style is used for it. Style. Text style. Color. Colors.red. Let us change the font. The video giving the custom font was done earlier. Font family. I have already added a font called Source Sans Pro. Let's use it. Font size 20. Okay, both have been on display. Since the two are close, a sized box can be used. Sized box. Width 10. Okay, now let's change the color of the container. Color colors, white. You can give margin to the container. Margin. Edge insets, symmetric. Vertical 10. Horizontal 25. Padding. Edge insets, all 10. Okay, so be it. Now we can copy this container and create an email with it. Copied and pasted. Icon can be replaced by email. You can change the phone number and enter the email ID in the text widget. Okay, both are on display.